Hello students. So are you enjoying holidays, your artwork, your other subject study? Okay. Here today I will teach you something different. Okay, what is that? No paperwork, no craft work, nothing. Here today we are going to learn stitching. That's very important because I know still now if you have to put button, means your dress button, you go to your mother and tell mama my button is broken, right? So now you are grown up, you have to do your work with your own. So I will teach you simple stitching, okay, and how to put button. Okay, very simple activity it is, but I know you people don't know it is. So you will learn it, and after this you will not go to your elders, you will do your work with your own. Okay, so very easy it is. I'll show you. Come on, let's start. For this, what you require? You require one cloth, any colored cloth. Then you require needle, thread. How to put needle in the thread? You know, at least you must know that. So put thread in the needle and put knot here in the end. How to put knot? Round, around, and take it out. Okay, or you can, I'll show you, round, and this thread you take out and in the end you shift that knot. Okay, till end you will shift like this. 2 times will do, you will get thick knot, okay, which will not come out of the button. Okay, here remember, while doing this stitching work you have to do it, this activity you will do in front of your parents. Okay, with the help of your parents only you have to do it. Okay, because needle you should take care while doing this stitching work. Okay, so let's start now. See, this is your cloth. Okay, if you have to join or a tearing part, or if you want to stitch something back or simple stitching, I will show you for that. That is running stitch. Okay, means what you have to do, I will take white thread so that you will see it easily. You will get running stitch. You have to take matching if it is possible, matching thread, but now here I am using white to show you how it's looking. See, put your needle inside, then bring it back, again put it inside, again bring it back, like this 2-3 times you do, and very carefully your needle should go in the back or front. Okay, take care. Nearby someone is sitting, you should take care. This way you will get running stitch. See, up down, with this you will get running stitch. Practice this in the vacation. Independently you have to do your work. Up down, see, this is called running stitch. What will happen with this? You can join 2 open cloth sides, or if you want to stitch back, even you can use this running stitch. See, these 2, and then finally in the end you have to lock it. To lock it, what you will do, you will back side thread you will bring in front, put it inside, and then from knot bring it up like this. See, here you will get knot. Again once you will do same way round. See, round, again I'll show, round, then from the same knot we have to take our needle up, like this. Here your thread is fixed, right? So cut it with the scissor, you will cut it have scissor now, yeah? So you will see, you will get this lock. See this stitching. When you'll turn it, you'll get proper stitching part, right? So now on this only I'll show you how to put buttons. Okay, see students, here on this dark cloth I'm taking white button so that you will get it easily. What to do now? This is your practice work. In the vacation you have to learn it. Okay, one small piece of cloth, on that you stitch one side and on that only you put buttons and this type of hook, and practice this 3-4 times, 3-4 buttons and 3-4 hooks if it is available. You do it stitching and show me after opening. Okay, I'll show you now how to put this button. Okay, hold it like this, hold this button wherever you want to stitch, hold it like this, and sometimes you will get 2 holes or 4 holes. Okay, here are 2 holes. So what I'll do, from back, here it is again not below, we'll put thread up from one hole, right, bring it up, then from second hole it will go down. Okay, from second hole it will go down. So see, same way, running stitch only it is, up and from second hole it is down. Repeat the same 3-4 times, then your button will be fixed in one place. 2-3 times you will do up and down, up and down. Okay, then turn it back, and where you got running stitch, see here you got running stitch, your needle you put in that. Now here we have to lock our thread, no? So put it inside, and then from this knot, see knot, okay, pull it little. Second knot, 2 times you put knot to make sure that your button is locked here. Same way again you have to, okay, like this you have to stitch your buttons. Now button is done. Like the 2-3 buttons you will stitch on the paper, cloth. Paper only we are using, no? So paper is in my mouth. See, now this is hook, it's called hook. Sometimes on the dresses you will get this type of hooks. So that also is easy. How to put, I'll show you. Hold it like this, then again same way, needle you will take, put thread, put knot here in the end, knot in the end, okay, and then here wherever you want to stitch it, hold there, and again same way, from back you start, bring your needle up, then it's a one side you keep in middle, and from inside back, again outside up, like this you have to go in second side also. 3-4 times you do it up and down for one side, and then second side you will go to second side. Don't change its placement, means wherever is your hook, that should not move, it should be there only in that place. Then again down, up, down. See, this way you will lock it here. And now this upper side, this also you have to fix here on the cloth. So go upside, bring your needle upside, okay, done. Then from inside you will bring thread here inside, again lock from second side. Same will do. up, getting up, and from second side down. Okay, so this way you will fix your hook. Got it? And same way now back you will put knot. How I taught you knot, same way you will put knot. This activity you should do with the help of parents. I repeat, this activity you should do with the help of your parents. Okay, so this is done. Button also you come to know how to put, hook also you come to know now how to do. Okay, so hook look means to put look. This is hook, we lock it in the hook, no? So that how to do I will show you. These are simple activity but very important. I will show you loop this side, so easily you will come to know how to lock. See, to make loop what you will do, first you will make one running stitch, little big, take little more distance, see this much big. Okay, this much big you will do so that hook will go easily in that. Okay, like this 2-3 times you will do, up and down, make it thick, up, same distance, down. Okay, you have to give thickness to the loop, up, down, 3 times is okay. Okay, then this side you bring it here, up, up. Okay, then what we'll do now, we'll start making its a thickness. We'll give thickness to this with the method, knot method. Knot I taught you how to do knot. Round, okay, then see, round, then from this thread bring it up, set this knot in the corner, then again same you have to repeat, up. This is not only, but we have to set one in front another. Like this we will complete full. You will get thickness of loop. This you will get little difficult, but you have to try it. 1, 2, 3, 4 times when you will try, you will enjoy it when you will get it method. Like this we have to give thickness. Okay, see, here it is thickness, because of knot you are getting thick. Then in the end bring it back, okay, and in back side lock it. Okay, lock it with the knot. Okay, this way you will get loop. Very simple it is. For the small thing you should not ask anyone's help. You will do your work with your own. So I am teaching this. Now how to put loop? We will put loop in the hook. Done? See. So learn this, practice it. Okay, very simple it is. What we learned today? Running stitch, how to put button, how to put hook, and how to make loop. Right? So do it. Enjoy the stitching part which we have to do. You have to do with the help of your parents. Again and again I repeat this activity you have to do with the help of your parents only. Okay, bye students.